Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best winter pool cover clips on the market. The Blue Wave NW135-6 winter cover clips. These tough and reliable clips are designed to keep your above-ground pool cover secure throughout the cold winter months. Winterizing your pool is essential to maintain the integrity of the pool and cover, but it can be a struggle to keep the cover in place with unpredictable winter weather. That's where the Blue Wave winter cover clips come in. These clips grip your top rail like a clothespin, ensuring a tight and secure fit every time. Whether you're dealing with heavy snow, high winds, or freezing temperatures, these clips are built tough to withstand the harsh winter conditions. The clips come in a pack of 30, providing plenty to cover all your pool uprights. For optimal use, you'll want to attach 2 clips to each upright, which ensures maximum coverage and stability for your cover. And don't worry about their durability. These clips are built to last and hold up through multiple seasons. They're also designed for metal wall above-ground pools, so make sure you're using them with the right type of pool. What's also great about the Blue Wave winter cover clips is their versatility. They ship in a variety of colors, including white, gray, and black, so you can match them to the aesthetic of your pool area. Whether you prefer a more neutral look or want them to blend in with your pool cover, there's an option for you. Measuring 6 inches in length and weighing just 8 ounces, these clips are lightweight yet incredibly effective. They won't add unnecessary bulk to your setup but still provide the strong hold you need. Plus, they're incredibly easy to use. Just clip them on and you're good to go, no tools required. If you're tired of your pool cover shifting and blowing away, or if you're looking for a simple, reliable way to secure your pool during the colder months, the Blue Wave winter cover clips are the answer. With their tough build, ease of use, and affordability, they're definitely the best winter pool cover clips you can find. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to secure your pool cover for the winter, click the link in the description to grab your own set of Blue Wave winter cover clips today.